Hey guys, so I recently just purchased some stuff from the Sephora sale, whatever it was that they just had, like the appreciation event. So I haven't tried any of the stuff that I've gotten and I'm dying to a little bit. So I just want to do a little bit of a get ready, play with all the new products and stuff like that. So to be honest though, it makes me laugh every time I order from Sephora, even if it's a sale, and it's like, this is why I never ever shop at Sephora. You have a goal in mind of how much money you want to spend, and I spent that much and I only got 5 products. It's honestly so stupid because it's like, I'm excited about like 2 of the things and like the other 3 are like staple products. And one of the products I'm not even going to be using in the video, which is great. That product is this lip mask, lip sleeping mask. I don't know how to say the brand name, so I'm not even going to attempt to do it. I have already been using this and have kept it next to my bed and I do really like it. If you watch my videos, you know that I use the Rodan & Fields lip serum. I almost forgot the name for a minute. I just like blanked out. But sometimes I forget to put it on when I'm in the bathroom because I keep it by my skincare. I've just been keeping this next to my bed just in case I need something while I'm sleeping, and I like to have something very heavy on my lips while I sleep, especially now that we're going into the colder months. So I'm gonna start my makeup doing the usual with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Primer. Did I consider getting a primer? Yes, but there was no reason for me to because I was gonna use this one anyways, probably. Okay, so for foundation, I got the Natasha Denona Face Glow Foundation. I have not opened this to see if it was a good color, so hopefully it is. I did guess online and I forget how tan of a shade I was going for. It's hard for me because I self-tan, so I'm always a different color. But I usually can make foundations work by mixing it in with other stuff. So I'm just gonna pump it out into my palette and see. It kind of is like separated. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Oh yeah. Woo, it's like all separated. So I'm just gonna mix it back together. Actually, I don't think the color is gonna be too bad. Cool. I'm just going to use my beauty blender as always. See how this goes. So I freaking love Natasha Denona. Not only like the makeup, I actually haven't tried too much of her makeup because it's so expensive. But like as a makeup artist, I think she is so incredible at makeup. So I've always been very drawn to her line, and I just love the way she does makeup, like her style and everything. She's like one of my favorite makeup artists ever. And so I've been wanting to try this foundation for a long time, and I keep seeing Sam Ravindell use it, and so it's like, okay, I had to get it. If you guys know me, I mean, it kind of sounds like it's right up my alley, so. Okay, I think I could have it be just a little bit darker because my face is much lighter than my body because I have not been self-tanning my face at all. So, give me one second. I'm going to use my NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in Olive just to kind of darken it up. To be honest with you guys, I have literally no idea how I feel about this right now. I feel like it looks pretty, like especially on camera, it's looking very like dewy and very fresh looking. And I think honestly, I'm just not liking my skin right now. I don't know if it's like with the seasons changing, although like it has been pretty nice outside still, or I don't know what's going on, maybe my diet. Also when I moved, so in my old house we had well water, and here we have city water, and I just feel like the city water is so drying on my skin. Like for the past 4 years I've been using well water and it's been amazing. I love having well water. I miss it terribly. I just feel like my skin's so much drier than normal, and it's still, even though like it's September and it's getting cooler, like it's not like it got super cold outside. And I'm breaking out a little bit. It's probably my diet. been bad. Okay, we're gonna say it's my diet and the well water, combination of both. I think it looks good though. Like I feel like I had to do a little bit of work to kind of like build it up and blend it out really nice, but I think that it looks nice. I think normal Morgan would really love this. It's just that like again, like I don't like my skin right now. So hopefully it looks good on camera. I am going to use, I've been kind of like mixing these two concealers, the Born This Way concealer. I do really like it, but it is just like super, super full coverage. And so I just like to sheer it out a little bit with the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I feel like I always get tongue twisted when I say L'Oreal Pro Glow. So I just do a little bit of dot like that with the Born This Way and kind of do a little bit more with the Pro Glow. The Born This Way has really great coverage. I just think for me, because my under eyes are, I'm so dry, and like, you know, when you get dry, unfortunately you get texture, and I feel like it is very like hydrated and creamy, which is great, but with that I feel like it settles into lines a little bit. I find myself kind of like going like this throughout the day, but it's not bad. I mean, I've definitely had worse, but I feel like kind of shearing it out with the Pro Glow really helps to kind of balance it out. Next, I'm going to do my usual Maybelline Fit Me powder just for around the eye area. And I am going to set my whole face because this is a very, very sticky foundation. I'm going to use the Becca Hydrants powder. I did really want to get the Hourglass loose powder. I feel like I've been hearing so many people rave about it, but I'm going to try to use this one up because I know me, and I know if I get that and I like it better than this, I'm never going to use this ever again, and it's going to go to waste. I'm trying to be smart like that these days. I've spent so many years just buying makeup and never really using stuff up, so it's like my new goal now to use this stuff up. So I got the Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow by Hourglass. Again, because Sam Ravindall, I've been watching a lot of her lately and have been loving every minute of it. And I got the shade Reflect, which typical, no, it's just like a champagne kind of color. I really want like this to be the focus of the look. Like I want to keep it very light and sparkly, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of matte in the crease, and I'm just gonna grab my Jaclyn Hill palette just because it's kind of like my go-to, and I'm probably just gonna grab like this shade and maybe like a touch of this shade just to darken it up. We'll call it these two. Don't know the names because I have like the old palette, but yeah, not gonna deepen up the crease too much. Just gonna have a little bit of matte there just to give it some shape. I also do really want to apologize for my last couple of videos being very echoey. If you guys saw my empty house tour, which was also very echoey, my new house is all wood floors, and it's just so loud in here. Literally, I can be upstairs, my boyfriend can be downstairs, and I'll be talking in a normal voice, and we can hear everything that each other is saying. It's so wild. I've never lived in a house where you can just literally hear everything. I don't really know what to do about my videos being so echoey. I guess I need to get like some rugs, or do I need to get probably get a microphone for my camera because I don't have one. It's like a whole new thing to me. So bear with the poor sound quality until I figure out how to YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass shade now. I'm just gonna use it on a brush. This is a Sigma E55. I'm not really like sure if I should use a brush or my finger, so ooh. Oh, that's pretty. I feel like this is a finger eyeshadow. You know, it's going on fine with the brush. I just think it's gonna make life easier. Oh, but my nails are long. Okay, crap. Okay, oh no. Oh boy. Use my pinky. That'll be better. Pinky finger. my pointer finger doesn't fit into the little pot with my long nails, so going with the pinky finger, it's all good. I'm gonna kind of take my brush just to get in like the little corners that I wasn't able to get into. Yeah, that's super pretty. I like this. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. Yeah, I really like that formula. It goes on super nice. And I just think, like, I know this is a boring color to get, but I just feel like I'm gonna wear it all the time, so that's what we're going with. I'm just gonna take those same colors from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just put them here. So I really don't want to have any like eyeliner on this look, but I am gonna put on lashes. So I'm just gonna do the thinnest line possible with the Stila eyeliner. Find that I can't really put on lashes without a little bit of eyeliner anymore. I just feel like the inner corner looks way too wonky. I don't know. Well, you know what's so funny is I used to do that all the time. Like, I used to wear lashes without eyeliner. I don't know how I did it. Sometimes I think I'm becoming like a worse makeup artist as time goes on, because it's like, I don't freaking know what I'm doing anymore. How do you put on lashes? I don't even know. It's also been really hard because I have been using Rodan & Field's Lash Boost, which has made my natural lashes really long, and then I got them permed, which makes them curled, which I really just got that so my natural lashes would look good, but I keep trying to do things to my lashes, like, to make my life easier every day. Like, because of my microbladed eyebrows, and then like when your lashes look good, it's almost like, okay, well, it doesn't matter if I don't put on makeup. But like, sometimes I want to put on makeup and I want to put on lashes, and it just makes it so hard to put on lashes. So I'm going to try to put on the tiniest coat of mascara, but then it's like, I need the mascara to make my lashes black for the lashes, and then the lashes are so hard to put on. So hopefully I can get these lashes on. I got 2 new pairs of lashes, not from Sephora, but I've just been like struggling lately. I don't have like my perfect natural like everyday kind of lash. So I got 2 different ones. I got the Eylure Luxe Silk. This is in, ooh, I have no idea. Marquis? Marquis. That's probably how you say it, right? There you go. Then I got this Ardell Faux Mink. Does this have a style name? I think I'm gonna go with these ones. Okay, so I ended up going with the Eylure lashes just because the Ardell ones were not doing it for me. And I did just put like a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline, just a dark brown. I am going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, the new one, the glow one. I'm excited about this. It's so far has looked really pretty on everybody, so hopefully it looks good in person. I'm having a hard time getting the sticker off. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe M510, just a little bit on there, just to kind of see how it's gonna look. I feel like I'm not really sure. Okay, there. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Okay, I am unsure at this point in time. I think like I originally was like, ooh, because it's a lot like darker than I thought. And I don't expect it to be lighter like a highlight, but it was just very, it's very like yellow gold. I don't think I like that. I don't think I like that. Okay. Moving on, I will try it probably a couple more times, but I'm gonna go in with Hoola bronzer. I am definitely gonna put out like a normal highlight on over it. I have been kind of doing that lately where I do just like a very natural highlighter like everywhere, but then kind of like doing a spot of a brighter highlight. So that's kind of what I wanted this product to be. It's just so, I don't like gold highlighters. This is like yellow gold. I really don't like it. Thanks a lot, Mario. I'm just doing like my usual face products. These are not exciting. The Burt's Bees blush and the Becca Moonstone highlighter. Hopefully we can just like cover up the Laura Mercier one because it's not looking good. So for lips, we're gonna go a little fall today. This like used to be, honestly, I used to wear this lip combo like every day. When I moved, I got rid of a lot of products and I'm like looking at my lipsticks like, oh, I did all this buying at Sephora and I really should have been buying lipsticks because I don't like have any right now. I mean, I do, but like, they're all like stupid colors. I don't know why I kept them. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Current Lip Liner by MAC. And I'm gonna go in with MAC Rebel. Literally, like, I could wear this every day, just doing whatever, running to the store, hanging out at home. And now I like hate lipstick. Not actually, I just like I look at myself like this and it feels so weird, but like I literally used to wear purple lipsticks like every day and it's weird. I'm trying to get myself back into lipstick a little bit, especially like for fall. And guess what? I'm the worst because I also got the Marc Jacobs Highliner, but I got it in black and I didn't really want to do like black eyeliner today. If you watch like my empties video and like my yearly favorites and stuff, I'm in love with the Ardency in eyeliner, but they don't make it anymore. Like the best I've ever heard about an eyeliner is the Marc Jacobs one. So I'm really excited to try it. Maybe I'll try it in another video, or at least keep you guys updated. And again, I'll keep you updated on the Laura Mercier and the Natasha Denona products. We'll see. I'm thinking that I will end up liking the Natasha Denona foundation, and I think I'm gonna end up not liking the Laura Mercier powder. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to see more of me, and I'll see you guys in my next one.